Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we have a highly anticipated review for all you motorcycle enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a bike that promises to set new standards in the world of superbikes. Aprilia has always been known for blending cutting-edge technology with race-inspired performance, and the latest RSV4 aims to take that legacy even further. So, let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Design and aesthetics. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 carries forward the aggressive and aerodynamic styling that has made it a standout on the track and street. The front fascia has been reworked, with a sharper, more streamlined fairing that improves aerodynamics and gives it a menacing look. The integrated winglets are not just for show, they actually provide increased downforce at high speeds. The bike is available in a range of striking color schemes that really make it pop. The attention to detail is incredible, from the carbon fiber elements to the high-quality paint finish. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the engine. The 2025 RSV4 is powered by an updated 1099cc V4 engine that now produces a whopping 217 horsepower. Aprilia has worked hard to refine the power delivery, making it more linear and manageable without compromising the sheer thrill that this bike is known for. The revised engine mapping and improved cooling system ensure that the bike performs consistently, even under the most demanding conditions. When you open the throttle, the acceleration is blistering, pushing you back into the seat with a force that few bikes can match. Handling and ride quality. One of the standout features of the RSV4 has always been its handling, and the 2025 model takes it up a notch. Aprilia has equipped this beast with their latest electronic suspension system, which provides a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The bike feels planted through the corners, with razor-sharp precision that gives you the confidence to push your limits. The revised chassis geometry, along with the advanced traction control system, ensures that you get optimal grip and stability, whether you're carving through twisties or hitting the track. Technology and electronics. In terms of electronics, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is loaded. It features a full suite of rider aids, including multiple riding modes, a refined traction control system, wheelie control, launch control, and a bi-directional quick shifter. The new 5-inch TFT display is bright and easy to read, offering a customizable interface that provides all the information you need at a glance. The integration of Aprilia's new PRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control System gives you an unprecedented level of control, making this bike not just fast but incredibly smart. Braking and safety. Safety is paramount, especially on a bike with this much power. The RSV4 comes equipped with Brembo Stylema brake calipers and dual 330mm discs at the front, providing exceptional stopping power. The brakes are progressive and offer great feedback, allowing for precise modulation. Coupled with the Bosch 9.1 MP ABS system, which includes cornering ABS, this bike ensures you can brake hard and confidently, even in less than ideal conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. For a superbike, the RSV4 is surprisingly comfortable. The seat is slightly wider and has more padding compared to previous models, making it more suitable for longer rides. The riding position is still aggressive, as you would expect, but it's not as punishing on the wrists and back as some of its competitors. Aprilia has also made subtle tweaks to the foot peg and handlebar placement, offering a better balance between track-focused ergonomics and street usability. Verdict. So, is the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 the ultimate superbike? It certainly makes a strong case for itself. With its stunning design, blistering performance, advanced electronics, and improved rideability, it ticks almost every box on the list of what makes a great superbike. It's a machine that demands respect and offers an adrenaline rush every time you twist the throttle. While it may not be the most beginner-friendly bike out there, for seasoned riders looking for a top-tier experience, the 2025 RSV4 is hard to beat. Outro. That's it for our review of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new RSV4, and if there are any other bikes you'd like us to review. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.